Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Daffa and I'm from the Divtrpkpolbit class. In here, I will explain about dual fuel system. There are engines that can run on either natural gas or fuel oil. They are called dual fuel engine. For example, the Wärtsilä 32 dual fuel and Wärtsilä 50 dual fuel. Both four-stroke engines are designed to be fuel flexible. Changing from one fuel to the other can be done under all operating conditions. They operate on the lean burn principle, where the mixture of air and gas in the cylinder has more air than is needed for complete combustion. Lean combustion reduces peak temperature and consequently NOx emission. It is started by injecting a small amount of LFO, called pilot fuel, into the cylinder. The pilot fuel is ignited in a conventional diesel process. Each cylinder is individually controlled to ensure the desired air-fuel ratio together with the necessary amount and timing of pilot fuel injection. The fuel system of the Wärtsilä 50 dual fuel has been divided into two subsystems, one for gas and the other one for diesel oil. The engine is started in diesel mode using both main diesel and pilot fuel. At about 3000 rpm, the main diesel injection is disabled and the engine is transferred to gas mode. Natural gas is supplied to the engine through the valve station. The gas is first filtered to ensure a clean supply. The gas pressure is controlled by a valve located near the engine driving end. Its pressure depends on the engine load. The system includes the necessary shut-off and venting valve to ensure safe and trouble-free gas supply. On the engine, the gas is supplied through large common rail pipes running along the engine. Each cylinder then has an individual feed pipe to the gas admission valve on the cylinder head. The fuel oil supply system has been divided into two parts, one for the pilot fuel and the other for backup fuel. The pilot fuel is elevated to the required pressure by a pump unit. It includes filters, the pressure regulator, and an engine-driven piston-type pump. The engine pressure pilot fuel is then distributed through a common rail pipe to the injection valve at each cylinder. The pilot fuel is injected at approximately 9000 bar pressure. The backup fuel is fed to a normal camshaft-driven injection pump. From the injection pump, the high-pressure fuel goes to a spring-loaded injection valve of standard diesel engine. I think enough from me. Thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.